Tingnan nyo yung mga lalaking faithful. Pansin nyo, mas marami silang na-achieve sa buhay.
And here are some of the list ng mga lalaki who became very successful all throughout history, and they are promiscuous. Genghis Khan, Benjamin Franklin, John F. Kennedy, Pablo Picasso, Ernest Hemingway, Marlon Brando, Elon Musk. And you know what? The list continues. Ngayon, yung mga ganitong klaseng influencer kasi, they tend to project yung morality kuno nila without even checking kung ano ba talaga yung totoo. Alam mo yung nagvi-virtue signaling, yung sinasabi na lang yung gustong marinig ng audience nila. So sabi nga nila, 'di ba? If you want to help someone, you tell them the truth. But if you want to help yourself, tell them what they want to hear. And voila! A lot of influencers, political, love guru, blah blah blah, so on and so forth, are only saying those things just because they are afraid to offend and discover truth. Mawawalan sila ng mga followers. Kasi nga, yung mga tao ngayon, gusto lang nila marinig yung gusto nilang marinig. So, if that's the case, bakit kita pakikinggan? Masakit na katotohanan yung binibigay mo. Doon ako sa comforting lies. Kahit kalokohan na, basta masarap sa pakiramdam.
Kasi wala na silang ibang inisip kung hindi paano mas mag-grow, paano mas kikita ng pera, paano sila mas makakapag-provide, at lalong-lalo na paano magiging successful para sa binuo niyang pamilya.
Paano si Elon Musk? 'Di ba? Ang dami niyang binuong pamilya, pero lahat 'yon kaya niyang bigyan ng magandang buhay. So, nakapag-focus pa rin siya doon sa goal niya na mag-provide, and at the same time, opposite ng pinagsasabi mo. So, ano na? That's why when it comes to relationship issues ng mga clients ko, I do not really prescribe one solution. I do not prescribe one lifestyle. I do not prescribe one point of view. You know what I do prescribe? The truth. Now, once you have the truth, let's create a lifestyle that would fit the truth that is happening sa inyong dalawang magpartner or magkarelasyon. And from there, bumuo tayo ng sistema para mabuhay kayo or makapamuhay kayo nang hindi kayo parehong nauubos na dalawa. Hindi natin kailangang sundin yung ibang method dahil lang sa sinabi na, masama yan eh. Marumi kasi yan eh. Diba? Gusto lang i-project nung ganong klaseng tao yung way of living nila because you know why? They see themselves superior to those people who are living differently or sinning differently. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session and let's check if we could work together towards your goal. Have a good day.